I'm going to show you how to run a C program in Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up your Visual Studio Code project and then go to the Extensions tab and then search for C/C++ and then make sure to install the C++ first plugin or the extension and the second one, both of them, and you can also install themes if you want to. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and then install the min-gw-w64. Click on the first link and then go to the downloads section and then click on pre-built toolchains. And then you can click on min-gw-w64 builds, or you can install it through msys2. And from here you should find the download. You can also go to the Visual Studio official docs page, which is code.visualstudio.com/docs/cpp/config min-gw. And in here it should tell you exactly how to set it up and basically provide installation links through the msys2, where you can run it in terminal to install the min-gw compiler. And once you set everything up, you can run the following command to check if it's properly installed. So you can go to a new terminal and then you want to type gcc space -- version, and it should output the version, which means it's correctly installed. Now, to run your C program, you will need to create a new C file. Right click on the Explorer here, new file, and then create a new file .c extension to create a C program. For example, I have this main right here, which I'm going to include studio.h. And this should basically output a message box when you start it. So I'm going to run it real quick. I'm going to update the code. And to run the program, you'll simply need to go to go or run, and then you can start with the debugger or without the debugger. So I'm going to start with the debugger and then choose GDB and wait for it to compile. And it should output hello world right here after running the program. You can also run it from the terminal or command line by typing the following: gcc-main.c, or your C file, in this case it's main.c, space -o space program, and you press enter. And this will build a program.exe file, which is this one here. Now to run it, you can simply type program.exe or program.exe like this, and it should run the program and print out hello world, as you can see. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.